Welcome back to my channel, Easy Igbo with Ngozi. Ihe m ga-eweta n'ụbọchị taa bụ aha ụmụ anụmanụ. Aha ụmụ anụmanụ. Names of animals. Aha ụmụ anụmanụ. Ka anyị bido. Oke. Oke. Rat. Oke. Rat. Agụụlọ. Agụụlọ. Wall gecko. Agụụlọ. Wall gecko. Just like we have agụ iyi. This one is agụụlọ. That's tiger in the house. Wall gecko. Agụụlọ. Ọchịcha. Ọchịcha. Or ọchịcha. Some people call it ọchịcha. Some call it ọchịcha. Cockroach. Ọchịcha or ọchịcha. Cockroach. Ijiji. Ijiji. Housefly. Ijiji. Housefly. Agbịsị. Agbịsị. Black ant. The type that stings. Agbịsị. Black ant. Arụrụ ọcha. Arụrụ ọcha. White ant. Arụrụ ọcha is actually the type that licks sugar. You keep your sugar, milk, or anything that is attractive to them, they can easily enter it and lick it. Arụrụ ọcha. White ant. Ewu. Ewu. Goat. Ewu. Goat. Atụrụ. Atụrụ. Sheep. Atụrụ. Sheep. Ehi. Cow. Ehi. Cow. Oke oyibo. Rabbit. Oke oyibo. Rabbit. Ọkụkọ. Ọkụkọ. Hen or chicken. Ụsụ. Ụsụ. Bat. Ụsụ. Bat. Ụsụ. Bat. Ologbo maọbụ nwamba. Ologbo nwamba. Pussycat. Ologbo nwamba. Cat. Ologbo nwamba. Cat. Ichoku. Parrot. Ichoku. Parrot. Ịnyịnya ibu. Camel. Ịnyịnya ibu. Camel. We call it ịnyịnya ibu because of the load it carries. Ịnyịnya ibu. Camel. Mgbada. Mgbada. Antelope. Mgbada. Antelope. Although some people call it ele. Ele. Mgbada. Antelope. Owumeagala. Chameleon. Owumeagala. Chameleon. The one that changes color. Owumeagala. When it hides on green leaves, the color becomes green. If it comes in contact with other colors, it can also change to that color. That's why we call it Owumeagala. Chameleon. Ikwi. Ikwi. Owl. Ikwi. Owl. Agụ. Tiger. Agụ. Tiger. Enwe. Monkey. Enwe. Monkey. Ngwere. Lizard. Ngwere. Lizard. Ezi. Pig. Pig. Agwọ. Snake. Agwọ. Snake. Ọdụm. Lion. Lion. Ọsa. Squirrel. Squirrel. Mbe. Tortoise. Tortoise. Anwụnta. Mosquito. Mosquito. Ududo. Spider. Ududo is the one that makes webs. Ududo that makes cobwebs. Ududo. Spider. Ebe. beetle. Ebe, beetle. This is the one that goes to eat the yam. Before the owner of the yam harvests, Ebe may go there to eat it. Ebe, beetle. Olokolo oboba. Olokolo oboba. Olokolo oboba is butterfly. Olokolo oboba, butterfly. Adaka. Adaka, chimpanzee. Adaka, chimpanzee. Agụ iyi. Agụ iyi, crocodile. Agụ iyi, crocodile. Ọkwa. Ọkwa, guinea fowl. Ọkwa, guinea fowl. Udele. Udele, vulture. Udele, vulture. Nza, sparrow. Nza, sparrow. Ọbọgwụ. Ọbọgwụ, duck. Ọbọgwụ, duck. Nnanwụlede, fox. Nnanwụlede, fox. Tolotolo. Tolotolo, turkey. Tolotolo, turkey. Akpị. Akpị, scorpion. Akpị, scorpion. We also have akpị. Akpị, that is tick. The one that feeds on cow, suck their blood, on animals like that. Akpị, tick. Akpị, scorpion. Enyi. Enyi, elephant. Enyi, elephant. Ugo. Ugo, eagle. Ugo, eagle. N'ebe a ka m na-ewetazi aha ụmụ anụmanụ na njedebe. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to view, follow, and subscribe to my channel, Easy Igbo with Ngozi. Ka emesịa, ka ọ dị oge ọzọ.